good morning, good morning. It's Friday. Let's go, Friday, Friday. All right, hope everybody's locked and loaded this morning. We're jamming here. Woo! Market just popped open like a bottle rocket right here. All right. All right, we're locked in. I'm Mark Miller, owner of Right Line Trading. Let me run the government disclaimer by us real quick. Hey, good morning, Edward. Rue, what's happening? Good morning. Duke, good morning, sir. Welcome aboard. All right, Brent. Thanks for sharing in Discord, Brent. Appreciate you. Here we go. All right, for all those out there viewing in today, all these signals and trading opportunities that I show either electronically or verbally are for all educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my team take no responsibility for any trades that you may take on your behalf for profit or loss. And if it's your first time kind of trading and you want to jump in the ring here, reach out to a licensed financial advisor, get your situation looked at and get a little advice there. And then figure out what kind of risk palette you have. We have a few options here at Right Line Trading with this AI Auto Trader. This is the software that I'm showing you today. It's a software that we been developing here at Right Line Trading for probably this software almost 2 years. So we've been working on these strategies for a couple of years, trying to, fine tune them. A lot of your guys' help. Thank you. Got a lot of support here out in the community, so thank you guys. Really appreciate it. We got a heck of a system here. We're rolling. So what I'm looking at today is I got the ES Star drone over here. We're down a little bit, but I'm pretty confident in that big move here we just saw in the NQ that we're gonna go ahead and probably push up the way she's looking here. We'll see. But that was a power move here. We just caught this one at 9:30 coming out of the NQ. Big power move here. Have a few strategies up on the leaderboard. How's your guys' systems doing? Got the old scalper bot up here jumping up. Smart velocity. Ooh-wee, come on. Big time leaderboard here. A lot of options here. We just shot up like a rocket though and just turned it on. So just pick that way. That's what it was doing. All right, here we go. All right, got the scalper out there busting out. Nice, your gold ODP hit, huh, Rory Powers? Yep, mine's at 1600. Okay, NQ is going to give a little bit of that back here, it looks like. ES was holding tight. The NQ is going to hold on and maybe come on and push back down. We'll see how this goes here. All right, got Miami Beach action out here. Got all kinds of full contact sport going on. All right, so we came back down. That was a quick burst of energy that's consumed already. Whee! Someone had a handful. gold scalper, 3,500. Rue, way to go. That's a huge gold nugget right there, brother. Wow. Let's do some of that. Drop that in Discord if it's any kind of consistent. That would be really appreciated by the community, Rue. If you can, drop it right into this one right here, strategy and collaboration, if you don't mind. That's where we drop them in. Right here's the gold that Rory was working on. Is it this one? Hey, Judy. Good morning or good afternoon. I saw your email. Judy is the world traveler. Welcome aboard.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Old Mac truck.
Order submitted.
Rue, this is the one that you said that you'd like if we had a Steven drone on the 20 Unaranko.
Order canceled.
That's this little dude right here. This is the old Mac truck. Signal C.
Submitted.
Takes entries nice on a good good uptrend. Took that long entry right there. Got stopped out right there. So it made about, I don't know, 40 ticks maybe.
Order filled.
Then it caught it short right there. Broke even.
Order submitted.
It's up 980 right now.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
It's taken 1, 2, 3, 4 entries so far, it looks like.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled.
All right, so Judy, I got some prop accounts here. I know that you mentioned that in the email there. Let's see what I can do with some today here. So I've got some fresh ones here. First time from Tradeify using one of their evaluations. Wanted to see how those work. So I got my first one. Uno numero uno. I was gonna, put them on the ES star, a few of them, obviously. So to do that, I like to get it out of a trade, and the good news is it's not too far away from home anyway. So I just snatched the either the stop or the target. I ended up liking doing the target better because it tries to save a little bit if it doesn't walk away from it too quick. You might be able to get filled there. So I'll close the trade, and then I'll just pop in my trade copier on some of these accounts over here. These ones are evaluations. These are $50,000 and $150,000 evaluations. So what I don't like already is it makes it hard to see how much they're. Maybe it's easier over here. So with Rhythmic, you get a dashboard, to see your account values, but with Tradeify, I haven't quite figured it out yet. I think here might be the only place. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and load a few of these up here. As soon as it jumps in another trade, it will take a few of these for a ride with it.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
So I'll run those 4 on the ES star drone.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
And then I'll go jump in the Lamborghini over here and see what's winning the race so far this morning.
Order canceled.
And to do that, I go into the Accounts tab, and I left click, double left click, triple left click, whatever you'd like to do. Each time you click it, cycles through and sorts them in either ascending, descending, or I guess random, maybe alphabetical order. I don't know what the other one is, but so right now the top dog is the CS Signal BC Scalper bot. So I'll kind of take a look at that on a chart and see if it looks like it's a good setup for us.
Order canceled.
So it's only had one trade today, and it was a full winner, so it's an option.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Doesn't trade much. That's the downside. This one trades a lot. This is the scalper here, or the Mack truck. Looks like
Order submitted. Order submitted.
no, Jorge, I don't do personal connections. All right, here we go. Come on, baby. Let's get in the driver's seat and roll. All right, so we got the Mack truck here. I'm gonna run this thing up a little bit. Put this one on the Mack truck.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, Mack truck.
Order canceled.
Here we go again, Mack truck. Come on, where are you?
Order submitted.
There you are.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Oh, I'm already locked and loaded with it here. There we go. I'm already locked in with it. Come on. There she goes. So now I'll go down here and find those other ones.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order
We're on 3 of them. Next Mack truck drone trade.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Hey Patrick, good morning. Yeah, yeah. There's templates. That's what comes with the software. Running a 50% off special right now too. Had quite a few people join us. Appreciate you guys joining us. Have a lot of new members. We're over, I think, 200 here in Discord. Let's check it out. Ooh, getting close. At 196 right now. Appreciate everybody joining the Discord community and helping other traders out there. It's really appreciated. Way to go. I really enjoy this community. You guys make it really, really fun. Let's make some money and have some fun. That's our goal every day. Get some strategies that make money and have some fun. So we got this Mack truck here. We got it loaded up.
Order submitted.
I think I might just take it out of the trade and then let it jump in the next one for me. Hate to watch it go to the victory here in front of me. Let me try to
Order submitted. Order submitted.
try to get in the next one.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order.
That stop just flew up to break even there on the Mack truck. Here we go, come on, NQ pushing up nicely. Got the ES over here starting to make its move.
Order
We'll jump in here shortly with the,
filled.
oops, let's see. Let's take a look at the ES star, the old darling. I took it out of the trade a minute ago so we could jump in on the next piece of action it gets here. Hope we'll get another long trade, so it kind of makes it a
Order submitted.
apples to apples comparison.
Order submitted.
All right, got the Mack truck locked and loaded. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, Mack truck. See what other kind of action's going on here.
Filled. Order canceled.
Oh, NVIDIA, boy, how about that move? A little bit of a hammer time there. Holy moly!
Order submitted.
I was come on, baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My mouse without borders. There we go.
Order submitted.
Ooh, that darn mouse without borders. That's a tough one. There we go. Let's take a look what else is going on out here.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order filled.
Here we are. That's what we're into. In the E-mini NASDAQ 100. We're running the March 2025 contract. Right now we're about 21.8. NVIDIA, that's our darling. We've been having a little bit of an affair with it over the last couple of months. I broke up with it at 134.
Order submitted.
I was hoping to get back in at about 100, and I kind of missed my little opportunity there.
Order.
Had a heck of a pullback here. 117, I guess, was the low. Yeah, she hit the floor at about 117. Old DeepSeek came down here and caught it at the knees.
Order submitted.
But it's battled back. It's now running 123 today, so it's down in the dumps a little bit here again.
Order submitted.
Trying to find a home here, NVIDIA. Trying to get a little bit of footing after the little bit of a shake-up. Kind of figure out what's going to go on there with the big player. See how the orders do moving forward. We got the other one here that we're in the ring on. The OE Mini. OE Mini Star. This is the old darling.
Submitted.
Old Star Drone. That's where she runs right there, folks. Old Star.
Order submitted.
It's like a Mack truck too. Wherever the ES is pushing is where it's going.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Ooh, look at that beauty move. Oh, NQ.
Order filled.
Going to the moon. Let's go to the moon. 401k, please. Let's go to the moon.
Order.
So I worked,
Order
I
canceled.
guess it was like probably 30 years or so in,
Order canceled.
private sector for as an employee. So I've got a 401k plan.
Order
When you're
submitted.
self-employed, yeah, I don't know, it's not something that people typically have, but um, yeah, so that's fun
Order
to
submitted.
be a trader and have a nest egg to watch move too through the markets at a slower pace, but still at almost a similar pace. But it's bigger chunks.
Order canceled.
Shit. Might lose 3 grand here trading today, day trading, but my damn 401k might take a $15,000 whopper. That's when you know it hurts. Right there. Woo-wee! Although, then a couple days later, you got a 10 grand winner. It's like, wow, holy shit, that's a ton of money. Well, we've had some big swings lately. Old DeepSeek jumped in everybody's back pocket for a few days here. We're clawing back though, looking for the 22,000 one more time on the NQ.
Order submitted.
We want to see 22,000 today. Come on.
Order submitted.
Got the old 20 Unarenko locked in on the signal C. Gotta have a little bit of a pullback here to jump in the ring. Not wanting to pull back here right away.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm steering clear old DeepSeek for a little while. Let everybody else kind of figure it out for a minute. See if it's worth putting my information into. But I don't believe I'm going to do it. I don't think I trust it. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Hey,
filled.
Patrick, got your question there. So the ATMs are all pre-programmed within the template strategy. So this thing's just cranking away inside of here, all on its own. It's all fully automated, so it's just doing its thing here. Looking at in this case over here in this Mack truck that I just loaded up with these accounts, these prop accounts over here. This strategy is just in the market, and it's really looking at this indicator down here. This is an indicator. It's called a stochastic indicator. It's like a rubber band here that's looking at momentum and momentum swings, and you can see kind of right now it's at a 67, a 64, 65. So it's kind of almost like a pressure indicator in a way. But on price. So as price is jockeying here, this indicator is jockeying, and this one is this entry
Order canceled.
has a few different filters. A filter is something that it's got to be true or false to pass, but it has to have a green line right here. If we're going to go long, it has to have this 50. It's a 50 moving average down here. That has to be green,
Order canceled.
and this price stochastic feedback of this RSI indicator down here has to pass down below 50 and then pop back up, kind of where you see this little dot down here drop below the 50 line here, this blue line. And as it popped back out, as long as our other indicators were favorable, it will take a long trade for us automatically. And then when we jump inside a strategy, we'll go get that Mack truck is right here.
Order submitted. Order failed. Order canceled.
I'll go show you what the backbone of a strategy looks like. We keep it all jailbroke for you, so you guys can open our templates, start with our templates, and tweak them. And we have several members who have tweaked our strategies. Robert out here has gave us our biggest and best strategy that we have so far, the ES Star. He hand delivered that to our Discord. We handed it to him, and then he tweaked it and delivered it back. But did a heck of a job. Let's go, Robert! And that's the lead dog for over the last couple, 5 months, 6 months. It's been a consistent strategy. It doesn't win every trade. It doesn't win every day. But on a consistent basis, week over week, it's made some good money. I can show the chart in a few minutes. So I'm going to open up the Mack truck. So it's a 20-unit Ranco.
Order submitted.
So this is what the strategy template looks like. These are the global parameters. So it's a list of parameters over here, and like I said, we keep it jailbroke, so you guys have the ability to go to any of these strategy parameters and modify them. The one that you would want to do right away is your, basically your daily dollar amount of loss that you're willing to stomach, or that your account can handle, right? So those are the two that you go to right away. You want to modify those to fit your risk tolerance. If you go to the micros, so we program these all as the minis, so the big dogs. But if you go to the micros, it's nice to just be able to take that and just back it up one, because it's 1/10, so it makes it a nice transition if you decide to go to the micro. The daily pounding is less. So then you can go down here and change your instrument if you wanted to go to the micros and use the micros right there. So it's nice and flexible to go up and down and as far as account sizes go. But so yeah, if you wanted to modify anything with the Mack truck, Patrick, here's the ATM. So this one, we've got it at 100 tick stop. So it's on the mini, it's $500 risk on this trade, but we're going for 1,000. We're going for 1,000, so it's 2-to-1 risk reward. We do a little bit of magic here in between the trade. We break even at 350. We've also got a profit target window. So our profit target windows work from our profit target, subtract 50. So at 150, our stop moves up to 100. So we seal in more profits as it goes. And then we've got another stop mechanism here to help us. This is called our momentum-based trailing stop. Oh, let me move this. Move this text box. That thing's sorry about that. Let me go over this again a little bit. This is our this little checkbox down here, stop number 3, is our momentum-based trailing stop. So that's an active stop that's watching our 15. So this 15 moving average right here. So quite a bit of different action in here on the strategy. Boy, I'll tell you, that darn Mack truck would have went to a full winner there. I kind of chumped it out. I snuffed it out. Damn thing. I'm gonna want to go to a full winner on it. I wanted to get in on the trade, but she's a rolling. So we'll go back to the accounts and see if we've got another one that's rolling here. Some of these coming up the leaderboard. Big strong move to the upside. Oh man, didn't get in this drone either. Jeez. Come on, baby. Oh, Star Drone. Come on, baby. Did I disable it? Come on.
Order submitted.
Here we go.
Order filled.
All right. ES Star Drone.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Come on, 22,000. One time today. How about that? Making trading looking easy today. Someone throw a hat in the ring here.
Order filled.
NQ pushing up 21,900 now.
Order submitted.
Nice moves. Beautiful moves.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order
Can't get in this Mack truck trade here. Things running away on us.
Order submitted.
That Mack truck would have been a beauty. Oh, beauty. Tell me you guys got that Mack truck trade and your ES Star. Somebody let me know where your ES Star is. Oh, my ES Star up on my other machine is at $300.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Wow, what a leaderboard.
Order
Whew.
filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Hmm.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Great, Judy. Is it up a little bit now? Cause yeah, this one entered right here too as a long, but I took it out of the trade so I could get in it with this with these evaluation accounts here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, Rue, way to go. The NQ scalper. Uh-oh, be careful. That thing can grind you up right there. Woo. Woo. Steve Cherry brought us that one. That thing smoked for a month or two. Boy, then it hit the dust. Okay, good. Same here. I saw this scalper, ES scalper here too. Yeah, drones here. Looks like it's in a nice trade right now. Yeah, well, Mac Truck has to release here for us to be able to participate here. We gotta get a little bit of release here. We won't be able to jump into this trade, unfortunately. It's the way the game played, I guess. It's gotta be patient, unfortunately, in auto trading. Gotta wait for the setup to come to you.
Order submitted.
That's a
Order
little
filled.
bit of my Achilles heel.
Order canceled.
Everything looks like a good trade to me.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Okay, we'll duck just a little bit lower, and we'll be off to the races here if we head north again. Okay, we got down far enough.
Order canceled.
So to wait for a pop here, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot. If it does,
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
come on.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Ooh.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Setting up for a Mac Truck drone trade here, hopefully.
Canceled.
See if we can take one here for the team. Looking for a long move.
Order. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order.
Hmm.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Hmm. All right, the GC, huh? Ian, what are you trading on there?
Order submitted.
GC, huh? Whew. All-time highs. Wow. Looks like we're heading north here again. We might be doing the same.
Order filled.
Surprised I didn't get that trade right there. I don't know if that pivot right there snuffed me out. I guess that's my guess.
Cancelled.
Everything looks like he's loaded up, ready to roll. So
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
yeah, Judy, I don't trade the gold ones either. I can't make them work. Can't figure them out. I can't focus on two things anyway at one time. I got enough. I got enough action here. I actually just started trading the ES because the ES star is doing so good. I can't deny it any longer. I gotta trade it. You know, like it's up $40,000 in 4 months or 5 months. So like I'm a fool if I'm not putting everything behind it. So anyway, I wasn't trading the ES until just recently. Because look at right now, I'm dying to trade right now, and I can't. This thing ain't taking a trade. So that's why. But the NQ is what I've been focused on, and just because it has so much action, like you can make $1 zillion or lose $1 zillion in a minute. But it's really volatile. It has some really nice volatility, which really works well for a bot. Come to find out, the ES works better. That it's not as erratic. But that's the shiny object for me is the NQ. So yeah, the GC we've set some strategies up, but they'll do good for a while, and then they tend to lose their ground maybe. Someone like Ian or Rue might be able to tweak one and share it back that has a little mojo in its tank. Rue, you got one like that? A little mojo?
Order submitted.
All right, all the markets look like they're moving up here today. Miami Beach, 75, mostly sunny.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Might get a little low right here at this 21,900 mark. That's kind of a significant number. Boy, yesterday was like a wild roller coaster, wasn't it? Holy moly, hit the dust and then flew back.
Order submitted.
That was a huge smiley face yesterday.
Order submitted.
Alright, come on, baby. Got no trades here today. Sheesh. Slow motion for me.
Order canceled.
I think everything works. You know, you think it works until you try to push the go button. Everything's loaded. Everything's looking good here. The Mac truck is up 14.10 here on the big board.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
So looking at a 20 Unarenko over here on this NQ. And that's the strategy that's trading, so it's a little bit slower bar. This one's an 8U, kind of gives a little more definition of price. So this one's an 8U Unarenko. It's one I like to look at most of the time. Gives you a real good definition of where price is moving. Gives you 820-40, so 40 tick move, flip the bar. .40 ticks is 5 points too, so start to relate points to ticks. It's kind of a 5 points is 20 ticks. You kind of got to get that in the head there. That's something that's always 10 points is 80 ticks, which is the hard one. That's the hard one. All right, everything quit trading here. It said, hey, make a move. Somebody make a move.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, looking at about 21,900 here on the NQ. Trying to hold the 900 value. 21.9.
Order canceled.
Got the old Mac truck loaded up. Can't seem to jump into a trade here.
Order submitted.
Catching some heat from these pivots up here.
Order canceled.
This is the hardest part of trading right here. Not being able to trade. Sorry about that one. Damn thing. Someone's got to make a move here.
Order submitted.
This big bar, 20 Unarenko, it takes a lot to make a move.
Order filled.
There it goes.
Order submitted.
There she goes. She jumped in long.
Order canceled.
Finally had enough room, I guess. Boy, she's barely holding on. Oh, we're going long. We're underwater about $100 bill. Running on 3 accounts over here. This Mack truck drone right here is trading too. It's like a puzzle. I'm trying to put the puzzle together here for us.
Order submitted.
So the Mack truck drone over on my right is the strategy that we developed that I'm using. Old Mack truck drone. This account right here. Using this strategy right down here in this trade copier. Old Mack truck drone to trade to these prop accounts right here. So these 3. And we're underwater about $200 bill, $140, $100 right here it is. And it's also this account here. So you can see numero 3 right here. Number 3. So what it's doing is it's taking this sim account, running it through my trade copier, and then handing it off to these other prop accounts. So one strategy is driving, in this case, 3 prop accounts, but you can drive up to 20. I drove 20. I don't know if you can do more than 20 or not. I guess you probably could. I don't know. But that's the name of the game, and then we like to kind of just show what entry prices you get between like a sim and a prop account. In this case, the sim took the entry at 21899, almost right on the dot of almost 21,900. 1 tick away, they call it. And my prop account entered at right on the dot, 21,900. Wow, look at that. The angel number. Good luck, everybody. We got the angel number today. Let's go. Good luck. Looks like we hit a floor over here, though, on the NQ. Let's see if we can push through this thing. I'm going to take a quick break. Be right back.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submit. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Or, or, order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
Thank you, Judy.
Order submitted.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Order submitted.
I stopped back in. We got a big trade going on here. Thanks for watching the system here. Got the ES and the NQ popped in. Got the ES star loaded up. ES star is running these two. So the ES star took the trade here. This is the ES star drone.
Order filled.
And it took the trade right here, 61.38.
Order canceled.
And I'll bring up another ES chart.
Order submitted.
And I'll put it on the prop account so we can take a look at the entries. So the sim account right here is the ES Star Drone. The strategy's up about, I think on my machine it's up about 20,000 over the last, I think, 3 months or so. And it's running these two prop accounts right here. These two and then these two here. So I'm running 4 of them. These two and these two. So I'm running 4 of the prop accounts with this ES Star Drone. Again, your guys' should be up about 600 bucks right now. This one's up 200. I took it out of the trade earlier here to get in the trade. And then here's one of the prop accounts. This is a Tradeify eval account, first one that I bought from them. First eval that I bought from. I bought a few sim to fundeds, but this is the first evaluation that I bought from them. So I'm running those. Got 4 of those running on this ES Star, and then I've got 3. Maybe they're out of the trade here. Let's see what's going on.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Average price P&L. Average price P&L. Huh. Wonder why that's not showing the value here anymore.
Order submitted. Order held. Order canceled.
Oh yeah, it is out of the trade. Oh, and it made 500. Huh? Okay, those all made 500. Those 3 on the Mack truck drone. Those made 500. Let's take a look at that trade. See how it all went down right there because I got lost in the move.
Order held.
Okay, Mack truck drone. Okay, we must have popped up to the second stop, and right there was the trade. Took that C long on these three prop accounts, and we got our $500 bill across 3 of them so far. Can't really tell as good how you're doing with Tradeify as you can with Apex during the day, so that's frustrating. I mean I can see right here, but still I like to keep my leaderboard up there where the winner's up there, not my Tradeify accounts. Okay, well that's the way it is, I guess. Unless someone knows a different way, and then when it's in the trade, the only way I can see them is right here. Other than the chart, you know, that's obvious. I'll look at him on the chart too. So we're in an ES Star drone trade. Oh, beauty.
Order held.
Follow the crosses to profits here at Right Line Trading. Right here's all the crosses.
Order
Boom, 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 boom. Woo wee, let's go, crosses. Come on. Let's go, crosses. I'll go grab a drink of water real quick. Just sit here and make some money, have some fun. Come on. Let's go.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, Scott, welcome back. What's up?
Order submitted. Order canceled.
The oh, what was I thinking? The awesome. There you go. Scott's the smartest trader we've got, I think. Come on, Scott, tell him. Yes. He's got his arm locked and loaded. Loaded up. I'm telling you, I don't know how it does it, but it does it. Yesterday it didn't make it. It lost money yesterday. Man, yesterday was like whiplash, wasn't it? Holy schmoly. I didn't know what was going to happen yesterday. Damn. It was zipping up and down.
Order canceled.
Awesome. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's not 2K every day. That's the problem. I wish it was. 2K, baby. Ow!
Order canceled. Order canceled.
That's the way I have to do it too. I don't even like to watch this one because it's like if you watch it, you'll lose money. Seriously, if I watch this one, I'll lose money, and I'll tell you why. Because I keep freaking closing it. I'll be down 950 and I'll close it, and the son of a gun will come back and make money, and I'll be like, what the fuck? Are you serious? Are you serious right now? It didn't go to the stop. What the did I do? You know? It just, this one's good to just walk away. Like you said, set it and forget it. It really is one of those that are set it and forget it. If you can throw away the key, it'd be ideal. But if you want to drive the NASCAR, that's when you jump in the old NQ and see what happens. Throw something against the wall. We got the Mack truck here loaded up. Let's see what its chart looks like.
Order filled.
Yeah, don't watch it, Judy. Swear to God, you'll lose money because you'll close it and mess with it. If I mess with it, I lose money on it. I swear I've lost a lot of money on it, and I shouldn't have. I should have never lost any money on that strategy ever. Really, I haven't traded it hardly much. The MES version looks like it was doing good today. Got it up 100 bucks. The PA account one. No?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Surprised it didn't take that long trade that other one did earlier.
Order filled.
Oh, it's up, okay. So it must have took us a break-even trade, which lost $1 for the, so it's in the trade, it's up 95 on the trade that it's in, so if it would close that trade, it would be up maybe, you know,
Order submitted.
maybe 100 bucks.
Order canceled.
Okay. So it's doing okay, it's doing good, it's up 100.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Looks like we're setting up for a trade here. Another Mack truck drone coming through. Got the snowplow on up here for the folks from up north. I'm from up north, but that's the goal when you live up north, is to move down south. My parents taught me that early. My parents were older when I was born, so I got the good end of the deal, and they were like older, ready to retire kind of older, and they were already like had a place in Florida, you know, not long after I was born. So we had a place in Michigan and a place in Florida. Got to go to Florida quite a bit, and knew that that's where I wanted to go eventually, because Michigan was just too cold. Fun to go back. Go back, run all those roads, still got property there, stuff like that. Come on, setting up for the old Mack truck drone trade here. Got the crosses coming in. I think I got a little delay on this entry. I think I got a 2-bar delay entry on this this cross, so it doesn't quite take the first one, unfortunately. I think it's a 2-bar delay. Let me take a look. Take a look. I just do a new strategy and go in and grab the template. Take a look real quick. I'm curious. Old Mack truck drone. 20U Mack truck drone. Be down here, right here. Delay. 2. So I got a 2-bar delay on this this entry, unfortunately. And there's the ATM, so it's a quick out on that one.
Order submitted.
All right, NQ's holding its ground. It's nice to see today. Really good to see. Going into the long weekend here. Not a long weekend, normal weekend. Might have this pivot creeping in on us here, trying to close us off from trying to jump in this trade.
Order submitted.
Previous price rejection there, and it tries to keep us away from ourselves here. This candle has to go over 2/3 of the way through that thing before the strategy tells you, okay, go time. Might be able to catch her here, it looks like.
canceled.
Show a little bit of trade performance as we close out the weekend here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, come on, baby. Should be setting up for a trade here if we can get pushing through this 930 value here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Good looking move to the upside on the NQ again. Take a look at our ES trade. All right, ES star up about 200. Other machines up 685. Oh, ES star gonna save the day. Hopefully, come on.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Oh, ES star drone. So ES star drone is the strategy that is the hot kid in town here. Let me move this. Sorry about that. So yeah, over here are the accounts. Well, first of all, we do the month, you know. So for this month, right here, summary, our darling, right here, ES star. Come on. Click, kitty, click. What?
Order filled.
Just said 8,000. Huh. Okay, the bot is the one crushing it right now, this month. Take a look at the analysis. So it's up 4,500.
Order canceled.
It's down 1,000 in this today. No, that's yesterday. It's still in a trade, I'm sure, today. We can go look right there. behind the scenes, but it's up about 4,500. So the drone is at 1,200 right now for this month. Okay.
Connection.
Uh-oh.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Thought I heard it say connection lost. Huh. So you guys hearing it okay?
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order.
This one's been the darling. So Michael out there, Michael's been trading this thing like a madman here.
Order canceled.
Michael, thank you for sharing your insights out in Discord. Really appreciate you. Really do. You add a lot of value to our community. So thank you. Please continue. Michael said, "Man, I've been trying to find what strategies to trade. I've been chasing them all over the place. I don't know. You know, he's built a lot of spreadsheets and a lot of programming, and he's got a ton of advanced math that he's doing there behind the scenes to figure it out." But anyway, he decided on the retirement plan and the ES Star drone. And he's trading both of those. And boy, look at the retirement plan drone. Holy moly, that thing's at $8,400. Woo! Way to go, Michael. How about that? Ouch. Nice move, man. I'm proud of you. That's a heck of a trigger pull right there, man. He's running that one and this one. So, and his accounts are obviously different. They look different, but roughly his are probably around that.
Order filled.
So that's awesome. Woo! What a month! Holy moly! Let's go! Woo! That's some huge numbers. Wow, that retirement plan, I had no idea. Amy, welcome aboard. Yeah, I missed this trade right here. I really thought it was going to take a trade right here, and it didn't. Apparently, it got this little pivot. I have pivots in there, so if within 2 bars, if it's still blocked by a pivot, then it won't take the trade. So it's got some darn filters in here that restrict it. What I like to do is, because I like to trade a lot, I like a lot of action. So I go over here into our leaderboard, find out which one's, the lead dog, and then I like to look to see if it's in a trade. So unrealized over here. And so now I see this is the hottest one, and it's in a trade, and it's positive. So now I run over here into my one that's the NQ, and let's do this, and then we'll close up. I only got a minute or so left. We got David Wise coming up next. He trades options, and man, he's got one heck of a track record. You guys, if you want a little equity stream, try a 2-week trial and see if any of his trades, just paper trade them, see what they turn out to. We do on average, if you say $2,000 per trade. Man, he pulled in like over 85 grand last year for his community traders. I mean, we got over 350 people we send text messages to every trade. All right, guys, let's see. Okay, so I've got to run this iBot here. Bot number NQ8U. So I load that one in the chamber, and then go down to my Tradeify accounts here, and they're already locked in. So the next The next trade entry on this strategy right here, this bot, I'll take it on these 3 accounts. So now I'm locked into the leader here. It's right here in my leader account, my lead dog in my strategies. All right, guys, hope you have a great weekend. Thanks a lot for joining me today. Had an awesome day. Really enjoy being able to get out here and celebrate the trading. And we made $1,500. Well, no, we probably up a little bit more than that. Got 1,500 on those 3. And then we're in this trade here. Let's see if we're upside down or if we're upside up. Where are they? Here they are. Okay, we're up 300 there. We got 300 on 4 accounts. So it's those 2 plus those 2. Oh, 300. So it's up and down. That's the way it works when we're trading. We're up and down. Come on. Everybody, thanks again for joining me. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you hopefully on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.